Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on Woox Smart Camera. To do this, first you will need to open the app. Inside, select the camera and move to the settings. Here we can scroll down and remove the device from our account. Then we can take a look on the back of our camera. Take something very thin and click on the button right here, inside there, and hold it for 5 seconds. And when you hear that prompt, that means a factory reset is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.